activity.
So welcome here at Beauty Land for the of Baby Erica. Okay naman. Jolly greetings everyone. Hi!
Hello!
One more time to Giovanni. Hi!
Hello!
Jolly afternoon everyone. I'm going to be your party host. Ate I'm together with my co-host.
Kuya Giovanni!
And this is your Destiny Baby Land Party. Okay
Today as cheaters too. We pray that you continue to surround her with love, laughter, and good health, and endless joy. May her little heart always be kind, her smile always be
Pagpipili po na isipan i-celebrate ang birthday ni Erica. Favorite na si Jollibee. Favorite na si Jollibee. Si Jollibee lang ba yung favorite niya? Parang balita ko hindi lang si Jollibee yung bibisita sa atin mamaya. Alright, kamamita na sa si Ate Lian. Tama ba Ate Lian? Ayan Ate Lian, paglaki na yan ni Baby Erica, anong gusto mong mamana niya sa'yo? Ayan, paglaki niya, anong gusto mong mamana niya sa'yo?
Katalinuhan po, tsaka kabait.
Ay, matalino pala sa Ate Erica. Tunay ba yun? Tunay yun. Ay, ayaw mo daw yung ganda mo. Ayaw mo mamana yung ganda mo. Maganda na siya. Ay, maganda na siya. Ayan, kaya naman. Ready daw? Dahil si Price at si Burger. Eh, si Kuya Noah natatawa na kaya? Papa! Si Popo! Tawa si Popo. Eh, isa na lang. Eh, si Kuya dictionary sigurado, no? Yum. Si Yam! Ay, si Yam! Ikaw mo lang Yam. Let's tama din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then yun, may na tayo. May sumanong isa. Ayan, bulaw mo daw muna yan, ate. Ayan. Lagay mo daw doon sa table. Lagay mo daw sa table. Later pa, malakihin niyo pa yung bilad. Atras, atras. Atras, atras. Okay, kaya naman Kuya Giovanni, kailangan ko dito ng cups. Tig-iis ang cups. Ayan, dapat lahat ay may cups. Okay, pag natapos maghawak ng cups, ayan, ibaba natin yung cups. Ibaba. Ayan, ibaba na nakataob. Ibaba na nakataob yung cups. Ayan, ibaba mo yan natin. Ayan, very good. Okay, nakikinig naman yung ating mga Jolly Kids. Okay, familiar ba sa mga tuhod, balikat, ulo? Ayan, alam ba yun? English! Ayan, English speaking pala ito Kuya Giovanni. Paano po? Are you familiar? Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. Okay, pag sinabi ni Ate Ara, kamay sa ulo. Wala.
English na.
Head, okay. Okay, hands on your shoulder. Hands on your knees. Hands on your toes. Nasaan ang toes? Toes. Ayan yan yung toes ni ate. Toes daw yun. Okay, hands on your head. Head, nasaan ang head? Okay, one more time. Hands on your shoulder. Shoulder. Okay, hands on your cup. Cup, nasaan ang cup? Ayan, get your cup. Ayan, get your cup. Ayan. Okay, get your cup. Ayan.
Head.
Hands on your toes.
Toes.
Hands on your knees.
Knees.
Nasaan yung knees? Ito yung knees.
Knees,
Okay, hands
tama.
on your shoulder.
Shoulder
Hands on
naman.
your knees.
Knees.
Hands on your toes.
Toes.
Hands on your head.
Head.
Hands on your cup.
Cup.
Get the
Cup.
cup. Get the cup. Get the cup. Ayan. Ayan, sino mo lang ba? Pinabayan natin yung cup na kay Kuya. Alright, thank you, Ate. Ako kasi yung panit sa. Ako kasi yung panit. Panit. Hands on your panit. Ano ba yung cup? Panit. Hands on your head. Hands on your toes. Hands on your knees. Hands on your shoulder. Hands on your knees. Hands on your head. Hands on your toes. Hands on your cup. Get the cup. Get the cup. Thank you. Very good. Let's see my guys. Hands on your head. 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 Knees. Toes. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Toes. Knees. Knees. Get your shoulder. Head. Cup. Get the cup. Get the cup. Get the cup. Hands on your shoulder. Knees.
You have a prize.
Toes.
Yeah, good job.
Shoulder. Go.
Nabalas ko. Ayan. Ayun, tama na tama. Ito yung kamay pa.
sexy! Katulad ni Mami! Katulad ni Mami, syempre! Three, two, one, sing! Jolly birthday to you, may your wishes come true. Jolly B, ako pa kayo and your daddy oh so proud of you. Jolly birthday to you, may your dreams happen too. This Jolly B kitty party was made just for you. Okay, kaya yung mas masaya, my Erica! Birthday to you, Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Mommy and Daddy are so proud of you. One more time! Birthday to you, Jolly birthday! Jesus happened to Jolly birthday! Jolly party was made just for you. Okay, kaya sabay-sabay natin batiin ang Jolly birthday, Erica, in 3, 2, 1! Jolly birthday, Erica! Okay, kaya naman make a wish and blow your candle, baby Erica. Together with Mommy and Ate Lian. Ayun, sabayan mo sila Jolly B. 3, 2, 1. Alright! Congratulations! Officially 2 years old here at Jolly.
Birthday, Erica. Wish ko lang kay Erica, sana lumaking maganda, lumaking mabait, magalang, may takot sa Diyos.
Naiiyak si Jollibee.
Ni Ate Erica. Or kaya naman family picture.